Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is Saturday, and we're going to M1 Concourse Cars and Coffee, Mopar brands, in our big Hellcat of an S4. We're meeting up with the two Kyles. One of the Kyles just cammed his Scat Pack, so I guess that thing is chopping like crazy. Can't wait to see that in person. We're meeting really early. It is 7:06 right now. We're meeting at 7:20, because this one always seems to get like a crazy line at M1, so we're getting there early, hopefully beat all the traffic, and then get some coffee, because I have not had an ounce of caffeine in my blood. That's step 1 and 2. Meet up, go get there, and go get coffee. I guess it's 3 things. Let's go check it out. All right, so we got bad news. I saw this guy in my rear view for a little bit. It seems to be like an ambulance or something. Fire truck, rather. I think the highway shut down here. Ambulance, more medical coming behind, or fire truck. Oh, shoot. I mean, my day's not as bad as whoever needs attention up here, so you got to keep it in perspective. But if this is shut down, this must have just happened. I hope it's down to 1 lane here and they can filter people through, but I'm literally supposed to get off in a half a mile. But there's nothing up here. I'm really confused why they're blocking the highway now. Is somebody in town? Is there like presidential candidate? Ho, brother, that thing shopping.
Morning.
Very comfy. Heck yeah. There's part of the benefit of being like the first people here. We kind of get to drive on the track. Not really, but like, kind of. Beauty of a morning. We got a little sunrise. 'Tis the season. Woo. Excuse me.
There's a roof down there.
Look at this thing. Holy moly. First wild spot of the day. We have a dune build off-road sort of deal. That's pretty sweet.
Fast and Furious.
It literally looks like that crossover where he's like, I want the baby between that and that. Vipers everywhere, and then a bunch of cool American stuff. I think I'm one of like 3 Audis that I've seen here, so we're here. We're outnumbered, but we're having a good time. Just got our coffee. Plate is get gapped. And look what we got here. Holy moly. That's a wing on the Tire Slayer. We're getting a little further away from the copyrighted music so we can actually use some footage. But we have infiltrated the Mopar meet in the Audi today. A lot of Chargers, a lot of Challengers, a lot of American stuff, which is obviously what we expected, but a lot of cool stuff. I don't know much about like really anything American, so it's cool to learn. That thing looks cool. I like that color. This must be the orange and green section. So we have orange, green, green, orange, green, green, orange, orange, and a biker gang. Hell yeah, brothers. We got a M4, M5, depending on the color of the M5. Let's see. Is this the satin paint on the 35 Yara edition? I'm curious now. I thought it said on the badges, but this is really clean. We reviewed Paul's F10 M5 that had it was like the 35-year edition, but that paint looks really similar. Ladies and gentlemen, I found my favorite car here. Look, there's some Japanese showing out at the Mopar dealio. This car is for sale. Wow, V-Spec. That's beautiful.
It's got the Nismo wheels.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. I just love the color. It's iconic.
It's such a beautiful color.
Wow. This is so clean. That's beautiful.
We
Woo!
import that one and everything, so we have all the paperwork for US.
Oh man, that's beautiful. We came over here, we're like, this is my favorite car here. Wow. How did you get it?
One of my friends is in Japan, so he found for me, and we waited like 3 years.
Wow. That's awesome. Pretty clean. I like it.
Question for you. Yeah. Did he go kit or did he do a custom build for the RS3?
No, he's piecing it together. He pieced it together.
Gotcha. Okay.
Like at home, there's a box downstairs that somebody's putting on. I think that's the downside.
So 1,000 horsepower to this you can do on a stock block, which is nuts. But it's probably like the iROS kit or like hybrid turbo, because my buddy had one that's like 800 horsepower. But dude, it's bananas how fast these cars can go. So here's the German section. Got the newer gen R8 convertible, and then I've seen this one before with the yellow calipers. This thing's beautiful. It's kind of this off-white. Great R8. Like it, like it. Ooh, kind of like the tan interior on this spec. It's nice. With the red calipers. Got a nice F80. And look at the color on this. Kind of looks nice. The white calipers.
Look at license plate.
Yeah, look at the license.
What is the plate?
The frame more so.
Yeah.
Daddy's my man, Daddy. That's funny. 50-year-old. Got the 1320 sticker. It looks fast. Pink's got to be a wrap, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like the texture of it. Yep, corn.
And you
Yeah,
can tell the
yeah, it's
green
like white underneath. That's
Yeah.
a nice job though.
It's like a pad to the crease, but you have to get really close to south.
Right? C6Z on the plate of this thing. That's nuts. I love the color on this. This is probably my favorite color for the C6s. The best plates over here. M3 F80. And then mullet. Are you kidding me? Look at the plates. This is great. Got the OnlyFans sticker. ATF is king. That's so good. Got an Oregon plate on the E39. That's pretty. It's like really clean. An E92 stop tech. I've always loved the E92. One of my favorite body styles on BMW, I think. Got the train going by over there, so it's a little loud. Killer Snake, Slither. If it's one thing that over here is just absolutely crushing, it's the license plates.
That's the move right there. Big Mopar guy right here.
How to sneak into the Mopar meet. The banana guards. That's awesome. All right, we got the garage open. Just a casual GT4 outside. That's beautiful. They've always got it open, so we're always just spying on stuff. That orange Performante. 4 cars deep. What is that? It's a BMW. So we've got this Ferrari that we've seen a few times before on the channel with the gold wheels. And then we've got a GT4 with bronze gold wheels right next to it. Couple beauty specs. So this is bedliner, right?
Yeah, it definitely looks like it, yeah.
The Ram Rebel wheels. You gotta like step up to get in this thing, dude. This is gnarly. Wow, that is some build. I've never seen anything like it. So we're off-roading a bit. Had to get a vantage point for this dyno. Didn't want to be right by it because I like my hearing, but we can see the action from here. They got a mobile dyno, rear wheel dyno. Looks like they're just bringing cars and trucks up to go do it. So that's pretty cool. Had a jolly good time at the M1 event as always. They put on a good time, free coffee, can't beat it. Thousands of people successfully snuck in with the Audi. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like, subscribe. All that stuff helps the algorithm. Until next time, ladies and gents, we'll see you.